Well, it is spring, and we have done a few small things to the camper. If you can see, we have ripped up the flooring, taken out all of the dinette set, and then we have also taken out that bench right there that had shelving, and we're going to turn it into a U-shaped bench, and then we're going to have a lot of cabinet space underneath the benches is our plan. And we're going to be updating electrical as well and a few other things, but we're keeping it small today. So, and we have gotten, when we started ripping up the flooring, we found rotten wood. So today we are going to be replacing that. See that? All that rotten wood right there. And see that bolt? We got to tighten that too. So we've got some rotten wood there, and then we've got some rotten wood, I believe, over there, and then a little tiny piece over here. So, alright. Well, I've got to get all of this out of here so that we can start getting in here and cutting up this floor. And we are replacing the wood right here, obviously, as we can see the outside, and all through here, all these edges, and then a tiny spot right there, and then right there, which will help with the step a lot too because it's very bouncy. And then we have to finish ripping this up. And then that's about it. That's, well, it for today. Okay, so after ripping up the other side of the area where the toilet was, we realized we got to replace all of the flooring. So we are on our way to Lowe's to go get 5/8, 4x8 OSB boards. So that also means that we've got to take down the cabinet where the stove and the sink is, because I am 90% sure that the wood is going to be rotten over there too, because it's been rotten pretty much everywhere. So we're going to get that. I am going to paint them with kilts on one side tomorrow so that it's undercoated, and then the rest of this week we'll be trying to put down new flooring and take out that cabinet. And then by this weekend, maybe finally start building up. Right? Yes. That's our plan. So we got our lumber and we are strapping her down. Oh, there's a bunch of them. I can hear them. They're so cute. I want chickens when I buy property. Yes, talk to me. Ooh, I'm making them mad. Okay, sir, I will back down. I bow to your fierceness.